Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Duet dating app account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and just simply type in Duet dating support and then click on the first result here. Now, this is the email we want to go ahead and contact with, so just go ahead and copy this email, so at support@duetapp.net. So now I'm going to go ahead and copy that email. Then from here, just open up an email client. And now I'm going to compose a new email. Now I'm going to paste in that email. No, not that one. All right, it's this one here. Support at Duet app. Yep, that looks good. And then subject. Put subject along the lines of request to delete my Duet account. And then you want to compose your email here. So basically say something similar to this. So, hi Duet support team, I'd like to permanently delete my Duet dating app account, and then you need to put in your account details in this little fieldy. So email used, so your email here and even your username if known. So put in your username and also your device. And then from there say please confirm once my account and all my associated data has been permanently removed from your system, thank you, and then put in your name. So this is the best way to do it. You can do it via the app, but I find that can take a while, but just contacting their support seems to kind of speed up the process.